is by far one of my favorite wigs I've shown to you guys or I've shared on my YouTube channel, because look at how well this lace blends on my skin. The hair is beautiful, the color is gorgeous, and it's also a full lace wig as well as a glueless wig. In this video I'm going to share how I installed it. I'm going to share my pros and cons, so stay tuned for that. The hair I'm going to be trying out today is from RPGSHOW hair. This company is an 18-year-old wig brand that specializes in exclusivity designed hair products. It's so funny how I'm one of those people that can tell the quality of a wig just by the packaging. When I saw this packaging, I was like, okay, this is going to be good. So first off, with the unboxing, I took out the wig, and the next thing that came in the box or the package was a headband and a thank you card. Thank you card just has the social media handles and a little bit information about the company. It also came with a wig cap and a magazine. I've never seen that before, like that's interesting. And also wig tapes, which I realized were wig tapes after. Just look at the bag to store the wig, it's just different. Let's talk about the wig for a minute. This is the short wavy layer bob, dark brown with caramel blonde highlight lace front wig. As you guys can see how well that lace just blends into my skin. This is a glueless wig. You can wear it totally glueless. If I try other wigs, I have to use my contour powder to make the lace blend. I just know I would use my contour powder, but for this one, I know I'm not even touching my contour powder just for the lace to blend. The wig also comes with 2 combs in front or by the sides and 1 at the back. It also comes pre-bleached as well. You can see how well it blends and matches my skin tone. It also comes with an adjustable band that adjusts in 3 places. The band was securely tied on the wig, so it's not going to tear the lace or anything. So this is one thing I'm excited about. This wig is giving scalp. It's a tinted transparent Swiss lace. It's upgraded, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, and it has invisible knots and gives the feeling of a real scalp. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Anywhere you raise, it's scalp. If you turn it upside down, it's scalp. If you turn it inside out, it's scalp. It was made with tiny knots, so that means you cannot really see like knots from the roots of the wig. So it's really beautiful. It's a really gorgeous wig. I'm really excited to try it out. Just see this color. The color mixture, the color blend is totally amazing. The different shades of brown, the caramel, the blonde, can you just see how well it was blended into this wig? Now I'm doing the shed test. I've put my hand twice into this hair. There's no hair. Okay, I put it the 3rd time, 1 strand came out. The 4th time, nothing came out. The 5th time, nothing came out. So the hair does not shed as often as a straight hair would, because most times when you put your hand through yaki straight hair, sometimes it can shed quite often. But this hair right here passed the shed test. This is what the inside of the wig looks like just before I place it on my head. I cut the lace at the back. Remember to cut the lace at the back, guys. Now I'm going to place it on my hair. I'm just going to fit that in. Just see how well it blends into my scalp. Who is this? No guys, I've tried on different wigs. I can count how many wigs have blended into my scalp this good. I cannot count. This is just the first one probably, because for the others I have to use my contour cream to blend it in. But just look at how this hair blends seamlessly into my scalp. In case I did not mention earlier, this hair is absolutely glueless, so you can go out without having to glue your hair down. So if you're someone who do not like, gluing your hair, you can definitely go out with this hair glueless. I'm just cutting out the lace on the ear bit because I want my ear to sit well with the hair. I'm also going to try to see how I can style the hair. I'm going to tie it down with the elastic band, because I found that when I do this with my glueless wig, it stays put, except I start moving it around. But if I'm going out with my hair glueless, I would like to tie it with a band just so it melts into my skin and you guys will see what it looks like. So I'm done styling the hair, and as you guys saw, I just did one pass with the hair straightener, tried to curl the ends and also the front part. But look at this blend. Did you guys see that? Did you see that? Look at the blend on this hair. This hair is absolutely glueless, but just look at how well it blends into my skin tone. I did not apply any contour cream, contour powder, none of that. This hair is absolutely stunning. I just love the color. It's giving grown. It's giving I know what I'm doing with my life. And I just want you guys to see the scalp. You cannot tell me this thing is not great for my scalp. You guys get what I'm trying to say. Well, it's a full lace wig. You guys will see scalp anywhere you turn this hair from. Okay, my thoughts and final thoughts about this hair is amazing, guys. The pros, it's glueless. You can see it's glueless. I'm trying not to mess it up, but I just wanted to show you guys that it's glueless. It takes to curl. Most Yaki straight hair doesn't really take to curl very well, but this one I'm not good at curling my hair. I'm still learning how to curl the front parts of my hair, but it takes to curls. That's great. The color is amazing. It doesn't shed as much. It's beautiful. It's easy to style on your hair. The blend it's perfect. It's chef kiss. Okay, if I was to think of any cons, I cannot really think of any right now. The shedding is not so bad. It's lightweight. You can wear it in come winter, come summer, come autumn. You can wear it at any season because it just goes so well for fall. It goes so well for summer. It goes so well for autumn. So whatever, wherever, whenever you want to wear it, wear this wig. Okay, I also have $100 off code, which is glory, so you guys should definitely check it out. So that's it for my thoughts and the pros and cons about this hair. I'm sure you guys know I love this hair already. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more wig reviews, let me know in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.